The world is preparing for a massive conflict. But the shocking truth is that no country can really afford it. Military budgets rise higher every year. It's like watching money burn while tanks and missiles keep rolling forward. From the US to China and Russia, every major power is racing to outspend the other in weapons. Fifth-generation jets, drones, and submarines promise strength. But their price tags climb far faster than economies can handle. While armies grow stronger, ordinary people face inflation, debt, and daily struggles that governments often ignore. The United States carries more than $34 trillion in debt. Yet its defense budget keeps climbing higher. China also struggles. Growth slows, debt rises, and the costs of keeping pace in global competition increase sharply. But how much does war actually cost? To find out, we must look at history's lessons. The wars in Iraq and Afghanistan drained over $2 trillion, an enormous weight on the US economy. Russia's invasion of Ukraine costs hundreds of billions, while sanctions cut deep into its economic lifeline. Even superpowers can't fund endless wars. The longer a conflict lasts, the faster money and resources vanish. So why prepare for wars no one can afford? The answer lies in fear, politics, and profit. Military parades and shows of strength reassure citizens. Leaders use them to display power and control. Fear drives action. When one nation builds weapons, rivals feel forced to match, even outdo them. The weapons industry profits most. Every missile built and tank produced means billions for powerful corporations. But this bubble can't grow forever. Modern wars are simply too expensive to sustain for long. Even short wars leave behind shattered cities, wrecked economies, and ordinary people paying the price. If another world war begins, the global economy could collapse in just a matter of months. If another world war begins, the global economy could collapse in just a matter of months. So here's the question. If a new world war starts, which country would lose the most?